At syempre, ang proud na si Coach Zach.
Alam nyo, for me, I'll say this right now. Siguro ang pinaka-proud akong bata na nandito sa competition na to ay si Third. Sobrang napaproud ako sa'yo, Third. The fact na tinuloy mo, yung kanta, hindi ka tumigil, bro. Oh my goodness. Only professionals do that. So palakpakan naman natin si Third.
Thank you po.
Aliyah! Grabe, Aliyah. Linis-wise, notes-wise, nasa iyo, honey, eh. Alam mo yun, nasa iyo yung leanness and techniques in terms of performing. Good job to the both of you. I'm really, really proud of you. And yun, we'll see how it goes. Love you guys.